Alright guys, so welcome to today's video, and in today's video we will work on this anime tower defense game right here, as you can see. And yeah, so we are going to work on some kind of animation for our flying units. And yeah, so that's the main topic for today's video. And in the next episode, which is going to be next week probably, I will try to fix this minion walking issue. So many of you have been complaining about the minion movement, that it isn't smooth at all, and that there are some small pauses in between each step, let's say. So let me just quickly show you what I'm talking about. So come on, make those units right here spawn. So as you can see, this unit right here, he has some small steps, and he isn't really just smoothly walking around. So there are some small pauses in between. I'll try to fix that in the next episode. And yeah, so as I've said, today's video is going to be about some animations or some animating regarding this flying unit. And in order to do this, you will need this animation editor. So just edit, and you also need to build a rig. So go to build rig, R15, and then select block rig, okay? And with that being said, open up this whole thing. So yeah, create it, and yeah, so make sure that it is looped, and go to those three dots, then go to set animation priority, and then go to action. And now we can make an idling animation for our flying units. So I'm gonna create one, and then I'm gonna show you how you can apply this onto your minion. So I'm not gonna tell you how the animation has to look like, so you can just do whatever you want to. The only important things are that it is looped, and that this animation priority is set to either movement or action. Because this animation priority, so my years of, or my early years of my developing career, let's say, I had always this issue that, well, my animations just broke, okay? So they were playing, of course, but I don't know, so out of nowhere, or at least it seemed like that, so out of nowhere they have just stopped working, and they somehow got interrupted. So that was especially what I was able to figure out when I've always seen that. And the main issue was that I didn't really consider using this animation priority we are able to work with, okay? So if you experience the same stuff, then go ahead and fix your animation priority. So wait. Okay. Yeah, so this is it for my idling animation. So I'm now just gonna go to those three dots, and then hit publish to Roblox, and then just publish this animation, give it a certain name, and then just go ahead, submit everything, and copy the animation ID, and just paste it down here if you want to. So you just need to save it to somewhere, okay? Now let's go inside of this tower defense script, and let's especially go inside of this minions folder and inside of our minion right here. And as you can see, we have this thing called walk anim. So you could now just do the following. So you could, where is it? Wait, where is it? Yeah. Okay, so just copy this ID and then paste it inside of here. And then we have changed this walking animation of our Naruto flying unit. And remember those expectations I've done right here. So let's put those commenting marks. I don't know how you call them in English, but just those two, so those two characters, and then this statement is turned into a comment. Okay, means the script is just skipping that, is just skipping those lines. Okay, so this is what we're trying to achieve by doing so. Means this check is not being considered. Means this code right here is being executed, and that code is responsible to play the walking animation, which is inside of each minion's character model. And as you guys hopefully just have done, we have changed that walking animation, as you can see right here, by pasting this animation ID inside of the animation ID property. So, and that's the result. So this is how our animation looks like, and it is pretty fun. So maybe those minions are moving a little bit too much upwards into the air, but well, we can fix that if we want to, so that's not too difficult. But yeah, so that's it. That's it for this video, guys. I know this was one of my shorter videos, but as I've said, I really want to fix this movement issue within the next episode, and there is no point in starting that fix now and then just dropping the second part in the next week, because the people will probably not remember what we have done in that video. Alright, so with that being said, thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends, give me feedback in the comment section, like this video. Take care and see you in the next video, guys.